Nope. Okay, never mind. Look, it's a bad idea. Got it. That looks kind of awkward. Maybe I'll bring an extra bag for that.
I stuck a little plate with you in the
Stand by.
Get back. Get back.
I hit the 0 board.
Well, there is a indent in the line.
Yeah, so my impact is directly above the target because it was in the trajectory of the bullet, and in the apex of the arc, my bullet hit that your bullet. Yeah, and you can see it's directly above that target.
Water. Shooter ready.
Yeah.
Stand by.
Get back.
Get back.
Back. Back. Yeah, that one we always get pulled in. That one. Back.
Back.
Going in. Impact.
On target.
No impact. No impact.
Get back.
Back. Back.
Stand by.
Back.
Get back.
I read my dope card wrong. Uh-oh.
Push the button. Get back.
Yeah.
Push it again.
Back.
You gotta stop it, sir.
Back.
I didn't do
Back.
Same result.
Same result.
One better.
Glad we reshot that.
Were you faster at least? Yeah, but it's that dirty random lot.
Okay. Can you get ready?
I'm standing close to fire. Load and make ready.
I hope so. I want you to shoot it. Alright, I think I'm good.
Load ready? Shoot ready?
Yeah.
Stand by.
Impact.
Then I last.
Impact. Impact.
Spotter on.
Impact.
You're right. Yeah, I mean,
Impact.
his point is the highest you can reach. Like you can reach the top rung.
Impact.
Well, no, it's 1, 2, 3.
Impact.
No, it's
Impact.
right outside. Left. Right inside.
Ah, this stage is terrible.
Alright, go for 8.
Okay.
Everyone's so quick.
Those tires are wet.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I learned today.
Impact.
Alrighty. Shooter ready.
Yeah, shooter ready.
Spotter ready.
Yep.
Stand by.
Impact.
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 Back.
Impact. Impact.
Impact.
Same course,
Impact. Impact.
That takes some effort. At the end, slightly. Only my last 2 shots, yeah.
Okay.
That is very wobbly, but it works. I'll leave my bag up for you, right?
Right.
Yeah, you are allowed.
Just parallax and diopter.
You ready? Spadas? Oh yeah. Stand by. I should have fast beat you like that guy last weekend. Remember? Shooter ready, Pete.
Impact.
Back on the ladder, you.
So
No, yeah. First one you know.
the last ladder one,
Impact.
2 impacts. 2 shots, 7 and 8.
Impact. Impact. Impact.
And then you got 9. Proof.
Impact.
I got the table and then I was like, wow.
Impact.
Yeah, that's fine.
Impact. Impact.
Shooter ready. Stand at course and fire. Load. Spotter ready.
Impact.
In 3, 2,
Impact.
1.
Impact.
Just taking our time. Half decent shooting. I think you have to parallax. Like it's so. I was gonna take a shot without parallaxing, and I was like, it's too blurry. It's well. Yeah.
20 stage matches.
This time.
All right. Yeah.
Stand by. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back.
Alex and Justin, and then
Get back.
all right.
Get back.
Ready?
Get back.
Not ready. Ready. Sure.
Get back. Get back.
Well, I wish I didn't drop that point in my first stage like a dong.
So I don't have trophies for the NRL. I do for this afternoon, but top old guys, Will Adams.
Yay!
Top young guy, Avery. Yeah.
Good job, Avery.
Top lady, Avery or Dory. Yeah, there's no way. Top base, Alex.
Yay!
In third place overall with 492.64, Willem.
Nice shooting, Willem.
Second place overall with 514.07, Dory.
Whoa!
And in first place with 534.66, Matt.
Yay!
And the scores are posted on Practice Score.
Wow, that was fast. You actually had connection.
Yeah.